Welcome back to Teshkid Effects for another AGIX price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the AGIX chart, which at the time of this recording is trading below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart. We are also seeing a chart pattern that is in formation over here, which has continued to be obeyed, which is a channel. And before I give you my breakdown targets here on the GRT chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, where you can see that GRT has continued to obey the Elliot structures, where you can see that after making our lower low down there, we started this massive bounce to the upside obeying the Elliot structures, where I have this Elliot structure in yellow having that as the first wave. Then we saw a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2. Then we saw that bounce to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3, giving us a peak at around the $0.2325 mark. And after seeing the high for that wave 3, whatever I was expecting next was a corrective structure to the lower side in the formation of this wave 4. And using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, I was able to come up with a minimum retracement area to the lower side in the formation of that wave 4 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, which is a target area that lies between the $0.1652 mark and the $0.1443 mark, which is a target area that we fully maximized. And upon losing the fib level 0.5, I had to extend the target area back to the fib level 0.618, so that now the target area lies between the $0.1652 mark and the $0.1234 mark, and it is within this right target area over here that I'm expecting to see the low for this fourth wave to the lower side. And you can see we have also managed to get into the area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, meaning that there are chances that we have now seen the low for this fourth wave to the lower side. And in case we lose the fib level 0.618, then I'll be watching the next key area on the Fibonacci's, which is the fib level 0.78 and also lies at around the $0.0936 mark. So that is what we can expect here on the GRT chart in case the breakdown continues and we also lose the fib level 0.618 over here. And in the formation of that wave 4, I was also expecting to see an ABC corrective structure also play out, and you can see that we have this ABC corrective structure where I'm expecting the wave C to give us the low for that fourth wave to the lower side. And in case we also see a breakout out of this chart pattern that we are trading within, which is this descending channel, then there are chances that we might see a breakout to the lower side and also see a successful retest of that key area that is the lower side of the channel. And in case such a move plays out, then I'll be expecting even lower prices to take us back to the fib level 0.78 and also continue watching the wave 1 high, which I have marked over here on the charts using this dotted line at around the $0.0766 mark, because in case we see this fourth wave over here retesting to the wave 1 high, then that could bring about invalidation of this Elliot structure that we have right here. And that is what I'm expecting on the short-term scenarios, and also taking a look at the indicators before I can give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 25 mark, meaning we have managed to get into the oversold region. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, fully supporting the breakdown to the lower side. And also jumping to the daily chart for further analysis to give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, basing it on the Elliot structures. You can see that GRT, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw that massive bounce, seeing the all-time high at around the $2.9 mark in what I'm terming is that first wave to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started a bear market in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.01518 mark in what I'm terming is the low for that second wave. And there are chances that soon we might continue gearing up on the long-term scenarios in the formation of this wave 3, where I have minimum target areas at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $4.6866 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect GRT to do on the long-term scenarios. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.